Alright, so we have another option. It's a non-magnetic option. It's aluminum rod. It's a foot long. And it's a 1/2 inch in diameter. It'll fit right in that hole. And it won't be sucked in by the magnets. It'll complete, but it won't have the magnetic flux. And that could be useful in some cases.
That's what I was just about to ask. What are some cases where you would want to use that versus the soft iron?
The actual cases, I don't know.
Okay.
But we could, try and figure out what they are by actually doing it.
Exactly, and that's what I love about this channel, is we're learning by doing.
Right, you know what I mean?
And the audience definitely helps. And
amen. Good audience.
your experience is definitely paying off, bro. I think you're doing great.
All right. Please subscribe.